Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss stochastic games are typical the type of dynamic interactive decision making framework that combines the element of game theory and Markov decision process. So, we have seen an example of chess, but for now, we will not see an example of a chess here. We'll see a coin flip, simple but effective way to understand stochastic games. So coin flip, it's simple example. We have and tails, head and tail mechanism. Let's say player one says head, player one says head. So if the player two understood it's a tail, right? And when you flip the coin, when they flip the coin, you got head. So player one wins. So it's a simple scenario of a stochastic game. So it is a dynamic and interactive decision making framework. Now, let us see a stochastic game example here. So this is a simple coin flip game. So let me explain the scenario. So player one initial score, I'm just giving a hint so that it will be initialized in the beginning itself. Player one score is 0, player two score is 0. Now, play the round. We will play the round. We will flip the coin based on head and tails. So here, but we are not dynamically flipping the coin in the real world scenario. It's a Python program. We are giving input randomly whether it is a head or tail. Whatever we have given, whether if it is equal to coin flip means what? Here the outcome. Let's say you have the outcome was head. So whatever the value, whoever does, and they win the match. So player one can score +1, player two can also score based on the coin flip. We have given a if else if scenario. So now let me share the command prompt. Let me open the command prompt for you. So now screen is shared. Let me run Python. So we need stochastic.py. Let us play this game. Okay. So player one, what is the case? So player one is guessing tails. Okay. So player two, I want to give heads. So player 2 scores heads for the player 1 and player 2 can select tails. So player 1 scores. Okay. Both have got 1 comma 1. Let us say player 1 got head again, player 2 got tails. So player 2 scores and we have given the maximum limit as 3. So player 2 wins. So it is a simple example of stochastic.py file stochastic game. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.